Hey, what's going on, gearheads, and welcome to Gear Cafe. We're here to do the first Fast Mod Friday video on the Ford Explorer. I'm so excited. So guys, without further ado, let's take this boring old Ford Explorer front end and transform it into an awesome, super slick black on black with matte black finish and smoked headlights. Take a look at that. Gearheads, the quickest way to make your vehicle look like $1 million is to do two simple things. Swap out your lights and swap out your grille. Now, usually they're the first two kind of mods that us gearheads like to do because honestly, they're the cheapest in most cases. But with us, for the Explorer, we decided to matte black the entire grille out and put smoked headlights in. So they're whole new assemblies, and I was able to do this and the tail light for under 200 bucks. So I won't get into details about how the install goes, but this is a basically quick introduction on what you guys can do with such little money towards your car. Now, the headlights I got on eBay for about $150, and the matte black on the grille literally is plasti dip. It took me about half an hour to do everything, including disassemble it, and it cost me 20 bucks for the can of plasti dip. The Ford badge on these 2001 Explorers comes off really simple, so overall, I'm pretty happy. Alright guys, now for the taillights. We got these sweet projection Euro style taillights, which I absolutely love, and they are such a great price. These things pop on so easily, literally 2 screws and a couple alignment pins. It'll click in when you push, and if you have any burnt out bulbs, now's a good time to change those out. So we picked up some bulbs at local Canadian Tire and literally 4 screws to put it in. Let's check it out. So just like I said, super simple. You've got 1 alignment pin on the top, 2 on the bottom. You basically put it, line it up, and click it in. That's literally it. See guys, now that they're on, it makes the vehicle look completely different. It really changes the whole perspective of the vehicle. Now the whole idea with this Explorer is that we're doing a black on black idea. So I think that these new black taillights look fantastic. And just like I said guys, if you want to spend as little amount of money on your vehicle but make it look like $1 million, go get yourself a set of lights, go get yourself a set of tail lights or a third brake light, add a little plasti dip to add some contrast, and just like our banner where you have matte black and gloss black, we have the exact same thing on the front end. Alright gearheads, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Really, you can do so much, which is a couple $100 and some creativity on your vehicle, regardless if it's a 20-year-old Explorer or a 10-year-old Honda Civic. If you change out your grille, your headlights, your fog lights, and you put banners and some cool decals on it, you can really change the look of your vehicle. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are checking out our other videos because we got so much new content coming out, it's hard to keep track sometimes. But as always, do what moves you.